Hi guys, in this video we will see how to use Google Docs offline. If you want to use Google Docs offline, here are the process. Launch Google Docs first, and here from the top left corner you will find three horizontal line. Click on it, main menu, and here choose settings. Click on settings. Thereafter here scroll down and you will find offline. Create, open and edit your recent Google Docs files on this device while offline. So turn the toggle button on. To turn on offline access, install the Google Docs offline extension to your Chrome browser. If you want to offline access of Google Docs, then you must install Google Docs offline extensions. Click. If you have already added extension to your Chrome page, then enable it, and once successfully installation of Google offline Docs, then turn the toggle button on of offline and choose OK. That's all.